Isikolo sithi uTshabalala bekabhicwa nakafika esikolweni bathi batsho khaba phethe isigidi sokudlala nakazokufuna isikhwama sakhe kunye nefoni yakhe ezathathwa mhlazana alwa nesichema sabafundi baka matric ngayizolo.
The other day the said learner came with what now we can confirm is a toy gun back at the school. Obviously the intention according to the family or suspect that it might have been to come and then defend himself against the people that have taken his cell phone. And in the process there was a scuffle where a teacher and the general assistant were trying to retrieve the gun. And the family is of the strong view that during that process their child was seriously harmed.
Nanyana ababelethi bakaTshabalala bavuma nje bona bebazi ukuthi unesigidi sokudlala bathu kuningi kuvela esikolweni kunalokho ekuchiwoko hlangana nokhunye okuveleko ibatsho ukuthi uTshabalala wabethwa ngentonga yegalfu umndeni uthi bekahluza nenceba ngaphasi kwelihlo lokho amapholisa nakamlethako.
Umntwana uhamba ngolosibili nje uyofuna ischool bag sakhe ne-cellphone yakhe. Sebayitholile leyo toy gun leyo bathi uyiphethe. Okay, umama uconfirmile endlini ukuthi uyibonile. Sebayitholile leyo toy gun leyo umntwana ayiphethe. Amandla angaka ukuthi azashawe kanje.
Umndeni ulitsho uyaligandelela lokuthi kunengo kungakavezwa ngokubhubha kwakaTshabalala. Amapholisa nawo avula icala lokuphenya unobangela ukubhubha.
Police are investigating circumstances that led to the death of a learner in eTsakane. We have since opened an inquest docket. We are waiting for the postmortem.
Amalungiselelo okungcwatshwa kwakaTshabalala asazokumenyezelwa.